Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nishtha from Nish Online Interior Design, Paint Color Consultation and Home Decor Content Writing. Today I'm back here with another interior design related video. So I've already talked about a couple of interior design styles, ways to make your home look expensive, best indoor plants to go. Today I'm going to be talking about some tips and tricks to follow if you're looking to make your space look larger. Well, let me tell you, there are a number of tips and tricks that you can play with to make your smaller space look larger, and in today's video I'm going to be spilling some beans and talking about those 10 major ways to make your small space look larger and create a visual illusion of a larger space. So let's get started. So whether you live in a small city apartment or you're stuck in a smaller home and can't immediately move into a larger home or a larger space and have to deal with the smaller space, well, there are various ways that you can make your space look larger affordably without spending a ton and ton of dollars out there. Well, it is all about creating a sense of visual interest, visual contrast and a sense of illusion in making a space look taller, wider, larger, brighter or even airier. So one of the best ways to make a space look larger is by simply choosing a neutral and a light and airy color scheme for your walls as well as the ceilings. Now you can choose to go with off-whites and softer whites on the walls, ceilings and trims if you're truly looking to make a space look larger, airy and brighter. Paint colors have the ultimate magic to transform your space, and this is one of the best ways that you can instantly make your space feel larger. Well, diving further into the technicality of this, you must choose light reflectance values or LRVs that have a range somewhere around 72 to 75 to further make your space feel light and airy. Now, light reflectance value is a value that determines how light or dark a paint color is on a scale of 0 to 100. Now secondly, don't forget to hang mirrors. Now mirrors are one of the best ways to add a punch of visual interest in your space, add a touch of personality and style while also making your home feel larger, airier and a designer look. So there are tons and tons of mirror styles out there. You can opt for a freestanding arched mirror, or you can even go for a round mirror which has a decorative motif around it to add a punch of personality while also reflect incoming natural light, bouncing it and at the same time making your space feel much more airy. So specifically for your dull rooms, darker rooms, or let's say your foyer areas or a living room, above the fireplace or even over the console or sideboard of your dining room, you can absolutely install a mirror and make your home feel lively, bright and airy again. Now don't forget to declutter under any cost. Well, decluttering is one of the most affordable ways that you can make your space look larger. Now think of a space that is messy, full of clutter and has tons and tons of elements kept around. Wouldn't it immediately look smaller, dingy and dull? Well, that's the ultimate mantra to make your space feel larger and airier. All you need is to simply wipe off those surfaces, get rid of all the unnecessary items that you don't need and create a crisp and clean environment in your home. That will immediately make your space look much larger, airier and even brighter. Now next, avoid bulky furniture and rather opt for smart furniture or lighter looking furniture. Well, furniture is a key element of interior design in your home, whether it's a living room that has a major piece of sofa or a bedroom that has a major piece of a bed. all you need is to avoid those bulky looking furniture fabrics and pieces such as those Chesterfield leather sofa, or those darker hued fabric beds out there which are heavily upholstered. Rather, you can opt for glass based furniture pieces which can make your space feel light and airy. You can even choose furniture where the legs are being seen, where the floor is easily visible, while at the same time when it comes to picking sideboards or side tables or console tables, opt for designs that are less bulkier and where the legs are visible, are lighter hued and much more sleek, and rather not darker or bulky. Yes, you need to choose furniture that is visually small and will ultimately make your home feel more airy under all lighting conditions. Now next, I would recommend that you avoid too many pieces of art out there. Well, I have seen homes that have a lot of pieces of artwork on the walls of their bathroom, their gallery walls, their living room walls. Well, all you need is one large piece of artwork that will ultimately grab the attention and create a focal point. Remember, the larger your artwork is, the larger your space will look like. So stop investing in a number of smaller artworks and rather pick a large artwork behind your living room sofa or in your bedroom that can create an ultimate visual contrast and interest while also creating an illusion of a larger space. Now the next, I would recommend you to focus on your window treatments. Whether you have drapes or curtains, do remember to hang them high near the ceiling and let those curtains fall all the way to the floor rather than cutting them in half when the window ends. Let me tell you, it's a big turn off. It definitely makes your home look cheap, small, inexpensive, and that would be the last thing that I would recommend. So under any lighting situation or in any space, do remember to make your curtains go all the way from the ceiling to the floor to make your space feel larger, airier and brighter at the same time. Just in case, let's say if you have an installed window seat, in that case there is no harm in installing Roman shades or blind shades and avoid curtains in such situations. At the same time, do focus on the fabric of your curtains. I would say that you opt for cotton curtains and linen curtains over heavy satin curtains or velvet curtains, which can tend to make your space look smaller, dingy and weighed down. Now next, I would recommend that you go for a more neutral color scheme and avoid a lot of patterns, textures and prints. So whether it's your furniture piece or your artwork or your accessories, your throw pillows, your accent chairs, rugs, if you're specifically making to space your look larger, you must avoid bolder hues on these furnitures and furnishings, which can tend to make your space feel weighed down and smaller. At the same time, you should choose off-whites, creams, lighter grays, lighter grays on your furniture pieces, on the walls, on the curtains, on the rugs, and further add a tint of visual interest, let's say just on the throw pillow, or maybe just that beautiful piece of vase, or maybe just a little bit of texture or print on the artwork. That will ultimately make your space feel larger. Let me tell you, too many patterns, prints and colors in a space can truly intimidate it and make it feel more confusing, congested and small. Now the next advice would be to use a larger rug. Now whether you have a smaller home or a larger home, the size of a large rug may vary from space to space. So let's say if you have a smaller living room, I would recommend that you put or you place your furniture around the rug and let your rug slide underneath the furniture. That will truly create a unified appeal and make your space feel larger. And let me tell you, on the other hand, if you intend to use a smaller rug which only is limited to a certain space, that will create a dingy, inexpensive and also a smaller looking feel. So especially if you're looking to make your living room or bedroom larger, or for larger rugs, because it's just like the concept of artwork. The larger the artwork, the larger the rug, the larger your space will look like. But at the same time, do consider the proportion of your room and don't go for an overly sized rug as well, which can end up costing too much and wouldn't look cohesive or proportionate in your room. And lastly, let in as much natural light as you can. So just in case if you have those heavy drapes and heavy curtains that are blocking the view and are totally covering your windows, it's time that you get rid of them and replace them with light and airy breezy fabrics. At the same time, you have to play a little smart here when it comes to clearing off your windows so that ample incoming natural light can enter your space and make it look larger. Well, what you do is you simply play with the size of your curtain rod. So make sure that your curtain rod is much wider than the size of the windows. Now that way you can simply pull them apart on the walls. You can feel the light entering through your windows, and at the same time during night time you can simply shut them off, or you can even have drapes or double window treatments to get rid of the unnecessary light at odd times of the day. So this is another smart way to make your space look larger and airier by simply widening your curtain rods and creating a fake window appeal in your bedroom so your space can look larger, brighter and airier. So what are your thoughts on these 10 ideas of making your space look larger, airier, brighter and spacious? Well, are you particularly intrigued by any? Well, do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm coming up with such interior decoration and interior design advice every week. So if you have any suggestions for me, you can put them in the comment box below and I will definitely come up with a topic related to that. Lastly, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as I'm coming up with such interior related videos every Monday for you. Bye.